Alright, so I'm trying to teach Bondi the roller skates. Right now I'm just getting her to go on them using the target stick. Can you put your other leg on the other one? Good! Not quite perfect. Almost. Good. Well, I don't want her to fall into the splits, so I'm going to take her down. Have her do that again. Okay, come on over here. Good. Cool. I just got her to the point where she's comfortable standing on them, and that was the goal of my first training session. So that's all I'm kind of working on, is just getting her to know how to go up onto them and stand on them right. So I'll come back a different day or maybe later tonight and start moving them on her.